So good morning. So previously we studied about the network device hub. So there is one disadvantage I already specified that. What is the disadvantage? Just recall that. The disadvantage of that hub is that so when one computer sends a message from that system to another system in a network, the hub will transfer that message to all other system because hub is not an intelligent device. So hub sent that message to all other device. So in order to avoid that, we are using switch. So switch is a device that is used to segment network into different subnetwork. So which means that consider there is a large network is there, very big network is there. So we need to divide that network into small unit. So this is done by switch. So this is nothing but a LAN segment only. Segment means a piece only. Segment, the meaning of segment means a piece only. So consider there is a large number of networks are there. So there is a large, not large number of network. There is a large network, which means that a LAN containing too many devices are there. So we need to divide that long network into small segment by using switch. So this is help to prevent the traffic overloading in a network. So we are dividing that entire network into small segment, then we can prevent the traffic loading. So then how a switch is working. So we already studied there are two types of address are there, IP address and MAC address. So switch working based on the MAC address only, MAC address. So there are mainly 7 layers are there. So in your syllabus no need to study that layer, but you just understand that the switch is working on that second layer, that is called a data link layer. So there are 7 layers are there. Second one is called a data link layer. Physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, that too many layers are there. So you just understand that the switch is working on the second layer. So it use the MAC address. So switch know the MAC address of all the system. So one message is coming from one system to the switch using that message. So that message in the form of packet only. So that packet containing one header part and the data part. So which means simply we want to send a message that containing two part, one header part and one data part. The header part containing the source destination source and destination address. So by using this header part, the switch know the MAC address of each systems. So the advantage is that switch only send that message to correct destination, but hub is not an intelligent device. Hub does not know any type of address. So that's why hub send all the message to all other systems, but in the case of switch knows the MAC address. So by using this MAC address, switch is sent to that particular system only. That's why we can say that switch is an intelligent device as compared to hub. So in your textbook there is only a small explanation about the switch. So we need to study that how does a network switches work in more detail. So just look at here, there is one explanation is there. So once a device is connected to switch, the switch knows its MAC address. So from where he get the MAC address means, we already studied that MAC address is attached with the network interface card, NIC. So from that network interface card, an Ethernet cable is connected to switch. So switch find that MAC address from this connection. So the switch use the MAC address to identify which attached device going to the packet are being sent from and where to deliver incoming packets, which means that switch know the source and the destination systems. So the MAC address identifies the physical device opposed to the network layer IP address. So we know that IP address is dynamically changed. So we can change over the time. but MAC address is not changed. So how it is working means, when a device send a packet, which means simply a message, when a device is send a message from one device to another device, it first enter to the switch, and the switch read the header. So header means nothing but a part of that message, and determine what to do with it. So it matches the destination address or the address of a sent packet out of through the appropriate port and leads to the destination device, which means that by using this MAC address, it is send only the correct destination. So this is the main working of switch. So this is a good paragraph. You can write this paragraph, how the switch is working. So hope you understand the working of switch. So tomorrow we can study the next devices.